Hey everybody, it's Michael from Nagios, and today I'll be going over how you can monitor your XCP-ng virtual environment using Nagios XI. With Nagios XI, you can use our XCP-ng Configuration Wizard in order to start monitoring things like your XCP-ng hosts, virtual machines, pools, and storage, all from one centralized place. And before the end of the video, you'll start collecting metrics like CPU utilization, memory allocation, throughput, and pool status. So now let's get started by jumping right into the Nagios XI homepage. Now remember, this tutorial can be done in both the Neptune and modern themes within Nagios XI. I'll start with Neptune, but skip to the timestamp if you'd like to see it done in modern. You can start by going to the config icon on the left and selecting Configuration Wizards. You can then scroll through or search for the XCP-ng Wizard, and when found, click. Here, it'll ask you for your Xen Orchestra hostname or IP address, as well as your authentication method. You can use your Xen Orchestra API token or a username and password. I'll choose a username and password. You can then verify an SSL certificate, or when put your authentication method in, you can test the connection to see if it succeeded. And when verified, you can hit Next. Here, you'll see all the metrics you're able to start monitoring from your Xen Orchestra environment. You can see the hostname that will appear in Nagios XI that you can edit, as well as the checks underneath. For pool, you can check pool health, VM status, storage repository, and virtual disk image. You'll also see all the individual VMs that are on your Xen Orchestra, as well as the metrics you can monitor for them, such as CPU usage, memory usage, disk I/O, and network I/O. And finally, your hosts that are on your Xen Orchestra, as well as the metrics, such as host health, host CPU usage, memory usage, disk I/O, and network I/O. And when done configuring, you can hit Next. And on this page, you're able to see all your hosts that will be created for Nagios XI, as well as the checks that will be associated with them. And under monitoring settings, you can determine how often the hosts will be checked, and if they're rechecked if a problem is detected. On the next page, you can determine who gets notifications and when. And finally, you can associate a host group, service group, or parent host for these hosts created with the wizard. And finally, you can finish and apply. And you'll be able to see all your hosts start monitoring on your details page. And here are the hosts that were created. And we can see the same process in modern by quickly switching our themes under account settings to modern dark or modern. And then from the home page, you can go to the configure tab, select configuration wizards, and then search for the XCP-ng wizard. And when on the page, you'll be prompted to put in your host or IP address for your Xen Orchestra, as well as your authentication method. You can do an API token or a username and password. You can also verify an SSL certificate, as well as test the connection when your authentication method is put in. And if successful, you can hit Next. Here, you'll see all the hosts that will appear in Nagios XI, as well as what they're checking. For pool checks, you can check pool health, VM status, storage repository, and virtual disk image. You can also see all the individual VMs that are attached to your Xen Orchestra, as well as the metrics associated with them, such as CPU usage, memory usage, disk I/O, and network I/O. And finally, the Xen Orchestra hosts with the associated checks: host health, host CPU usage, memory usage, host disk I/O, and network I/O. And when satisfied with your configuration, you can click Next. On this screen, you'll see all the hosts that will be created in Nagios XI, as well as the checks associated with them. You can also change the monitoring settings to determine how often a host will be checked, and if it's checked again if a problem is detected. You can also determine which notifications will be sent out and to who. And finally, if you want to attach it to a host group, service group, or parent host. And when you're satisfied, you can finish and apply. And you'll be able to see all your hosts and services starting to be monitored. And that's it. You've now set up XCP-ng monitoring using the XCP-ng Configuration Wizard in Nagios XI. You now should have centralized monitoring of your virtual environment powered by XCP-ng or Xen Orchestra. Now, if you need any more help with this, please visit support.nagios.com, or feel free to check out our library or YouTube channel for any more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep on monitoring.